Take care. Yeah.
Gabby should be heading your way if she hasn't already.
How are you doing? Good? Good, yeah.
Make her right. Go up there and make her right.
Oh, by the way, it's June. So I asked Joe for cupcakes, but we could, I didn't have to do someone else.
Look, that's the Spurs locker room right there. That's where the players come up.
Oh, yeah.
That's what we're gonna eat at right there.
They're getting ready for the game. Hi.
Hey, Jane, look. Look at LaMarcus Aldridge. LaMarcus Aldridge.
And yours will be too when you experience the excitement of the Orlando Silver Bears. Get your tickets today starting as low as $15. Orlando Silver Bears. Life is better with hockey.
Uniquely talented Sia live in concert. Nostalgic for
LaMarcus.
the
What's going on, LaMarcus?
October 30th. The unmistakable voice
Come on,
of
dude.
Sia. With special guest Miguel. In St. George.
Can we assist you to your seats?
LiveNation.com.
4 North Road 2. Okay.
A show 2 decades
Y'all want to follow me on down?
Well, I mean, I've been here before. Like
Oh, then you can just walk. Yeah, enjoy yourself, man. Thank you very much.
Kumo D, all for one. Coolio, Dolo, and Yummy These two.
No, I'm making a video. Appreciate that.
Saturday, December 3rd, Amway Center. Reserve seats on sale now. Get yours at the box office or online at Ticketmaster.com. I Love the 90s Tour, produced by AEG Live.
I'm all right. Thank you. Keep going, Jane. I'm all right. All right, Jane. We're gonna be right over here. We're gonna sit. This where we're gonna sit at right here.
How you doing? Can I find your seat?
Yeah, I can see it right here. 6 and 5.
Yes, sir, it is. Very good. Thank you.
All right, no problem. Go ahead, Jimmy.
Have you been to the lounge?
Not yet. I'm just first.
Okay.
Yeah, I
Hey.
know how to get there.
How you doing? Oh, you know how to get
Yeah, just right there.
interrupt you.
No
I'll get out of your way.
Thank you.
Good at that. I practice all day.
That's
Stay out of your way.
Thank you very
Thank you.
much. Good. You want to get something to eat? I was just showing you where you see that.
Hey, what's up, Magic fans? I'm your arena host, DMC, and welcome
Let's go to the food lounge.
Game against the San Antonio Spurs. It is the 2016-17 season, and we're excited about it, especially tonight. Now, throughout the season, you have no idea what to expect. I mean, we have prizes. We're going to win a lot of games this season also.
You all right? That's the Magic locker room right there, man. Follow me down there.
What's up, guys?
Come on, Jimmy. Come on, Jimmy. Grab a plate. Come on. Get some meat, dude. Put your plate out so you can get some. Thank you. Come on.
How are you? Great.
Mashed potatoes. You want some rice? You want some rice? Right here. Come on. You eat fish? You want some fish?
Yes.
Mahi. You want some corn?
No.
No corn? You want to cook it the brownie?
I think I want to go and get I can eat a brownie.
Yeah, you gotta eat everything else first. Let's go. Come on. What? What? Let's sit right here.
Here?
Yep. Wait, we'll get you a spoon before. Sit down.